Hello, good morning, children. Today we are going to start this chapter trigonometry. Recording हुआ है ना आपका? So let us consider a right angle triangle ABC in which angle B equal to 90 degree. ABC is a right angle triangle. We take a right angle triangle ABC in which angle B equal to 90 degree. So if angle B is 90 degree, then there will be two acute angles, angle A and angle C. There are two acute angles. So we assume that angle C is equal to theta. Let angle C equal to theta. Now with respect to angle C, BC is called base, AB is called perpendicular, and AC is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always opposite to right angle. Right angle, the side which is opposite to right angle, this side is always hypotenuse. Its area is fixed. So with respect to angle C, AB is perpendicular P, BC is base B, AC is hypotenuse H. So now between P, B and H we have 6 ratio. We have first ratio is P by H, then H by P, B by H, H by B, P by B, B by P. When the ratio is P by H, this is called sin theta, sin SIN theta. When the ratio is H by P, this is called cosec theta. When the ratio is B by H, this is called cos theta. When the ratio is H by B, this is called sec theta. When the ratio is P by B, this is called tan theta. When the ratio is B by P, this is called cot theta. Sin theta and cosec theta are opposite. Sin theta equal to P by H and cosec theta equal to H by P. So here P is AB, so I have written AB by AC. Here H by P, H mane AC, P mane AB, like this. Cos theta equal to B by H and sec theta equal to H by P. Tan theta equal to P by B, cot theta equal to B by P. So if we consider angle A, suppose instead of angle C, if we consider angle A, then BC will be perpendicular and AB will be base and AC is always hypotenuse. Then also sin A equal to BC by AC. Actually what happened here, एंगल सी वी हैव एंगल सी को हम लोग नाम दिया था थीटा, इसलिए यहाँ साइन थीटा cos थीटा लिख रहे हैं. वी कैन राइट साइन सी ऑल्सो in place of sin theta. We can write sin c also, that is also correct. So when you write sin A, now the question is when you write sin A equal to P by H. So जब in terms of in case of A के लिए कौन होगा P, BC, H will be what, AC. Then if we then cosec A will be opposite of sin A, AC by BC. Then similarly cos A, B by H, base by hypotenuse. A के लिए कौन है बेस, AB by hypotenuse AC. Then sec A is opposite to cos A, AC by AB, tan A, BC by AB, cot A, AB by BC. Now there is a hint how to remember. Some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black. From this S we get sin theta. Then P and H, P by H. Curly, from this C we get cos theta, B by H. Turn, from this T we get tan theta. Perpendicular, permanently black, we get P by B. So if you know sin theta, then you know cosec theta is H by P, cos theta is H by B, cot theta equal to B by P. So these are the explanation. Today I will give exercise.